We all love these moments. An active day in fresh open air. Breathing deeply is balm for the body and soul. Dry, dusty rooms, however, afflict our health seriously, especially during winter. Our children are the ones suffering most. The consequences: sneezing and coughing, affected vocal cords, reddened eyes, dry skin. With our help, you can change that. Put an end to the results of dry air by regular humidification, thus improving the air of a room and your well-being remarkably. The powerful ultrasonic humidifier system by Aeroswiss transforms water into fine mist and releases it into the room. The low power consumption protects the environment. The quiet operation enhances your living and sleeping comfort. The smallest ultrasonic humidifier is ideal for traveling. It fits in any bag and can be used worldwide due to its integrated adapter. With a convenient operation indicator, the U7146 delivers best air quality anywhere. The unit can be operated with 0.5-liter PET bottles thanks to the adapter. The variable output control regulates the mist production. With power adapter, exchangeable power plugs, and travel bag, the U7146 belongs in every travel baggage. The fold-out feet ensure stability. If the water level is too low, the unit will shut off automatically. The microfine mist of the travel humidifier provides an optimal climate in the room, so that you can feel at home like in fresh open air. Aeroswiss, improving your quality of life.